Hey guys, as you can see behind me, I've just set up for training, on open training I do in Krakow. And since I like to be early on those events, I have some time to actually shoot a video, so I figured, hell, why not? And this seems like a good occasion to answer one of the questions Josh sent me. That was how it happened that I have my own company and do I actually encourage it. I knew I will have my own company even before studies. This is mostly because my father also had a company. So it was kind of like in a family culture, let's call it this way. And it was kind of obvious to me that sooner or later, and rather sooner, I will start my own company. So during studies, I simply tried to learn as much as I could to be able to operate the business, but I didn't learn anything about the business itself. Actually, I was flying completely blind. I simply learned about static design and how to design stuff, so I knew that my company will do that, so I need to be good at that. And somehow I completely miss all the stuff like marketing and things related to those regions, so yeah, I was more or less like a geeky type of a guy when I started the company. And I figured that it would be good to have partners inside, and I asked two colleagues to co-found the company with me. And for the first few years, it was brutal. I mean, like, the first regular salary we got like after a year, maybe a year and a half. And before then, we simply earned money when we could, doing whatever we could. And yeah, this was a dark time. And it was difficult mostly because we didn't do any marketing at all. I mean, like, I didn't even thought about it back then. We were simply hoping to get a job. And maybe this was also because, as I mentioned before, my father had a company. And from time to time, he would give us something to do. So we actually had some sort of jobs from time to time that allow us not to starve, more or less. So this is why we started. And after several years, it took off. We started hiring people, and we actually were developing the business. Even though we didn't do marketing at all, I think that we managed to find our spot on the market. We did good designs, the quality was pretty neat. Even if we weren't the cheapest company, we definitely made up with quality for what we do. And this is something I strongly believe in. That it's actually better to have higher quality and higher prices, because on the other end of the spectrum, this is a race to the bottom. And you can always win. So that's bad. And after several years, I actually realized that I feel miserable in my own company. There are many factors involved, and I don't want to go deep into that here. But all in all, I try to convince my business partners that maybe we should focus on FEA more instead of like the typical civil engineering stuff. And they kind of disagreed, and we discussed this a bit, and there were other issues at play. And all in all, I left my own company. Well, it was theirs as well. They retained the name and the right to operate as they did, as we agreed. And then I started Enter FEA. So back then, I already knew a lot about FEA. And I started to realize that we didn't do marketing at all. And I suck at marketing, even now. But at least from time to time, I try to do something, and I'm running a blog, which also helps. This is more or less a history of mine. I hope in future to have a company that can calculate almost anything in FEA. That would be cool. And also to have like the courses online and helping people to achieve this level, because I think that it's fun. Like, having your own company is great. To the second part of the question, would I recommend having a company of your own? This is a difficult thing. I mean, start is brutal, so there are more or less two approaches. I took the first one, which was like blunt force trauma. I simply assumed that since I'm a student, I was doing a PhD back then, I could more or less live eating only tacos and cheap food, so I don't need to earn a lot of money. And I simply said, okay, I will push this through. So the first year and a half was like brutal. I mean, that's bad. So if you have a wife and kids, that can be hard on you. So I know people that did another route. They simply found a good job, usually abroad, but it doesn't necessarily have to be so. It also depends where you're situated, of course. And then after a time, they proved their worth. They learned a lot and said, okay, I'm going to quit, but I will found my company and we will cooperate. And this is how they started. And a lot of successful businesses did that. So there is a point in your career where you can say, okay, now it's my turn. Now I want to try to launch a company of my own. And if you do it like without knowing anyone in a business and stuff like that, it's hard. When you actually know that you have someone to work with at the beginning, it will be much, much easier on you. Having a company is nice because you have tremendous freedom. Like, I can choose where I want to go, whether the training will be main thing or FEA, or maybe I want to pursue something completely different. It's my call. So the company kind of grows with me. While when you're in a company, like you're an employee, there is a certain limit to a degree what you can choose to do. So I love this freedom. But I know people that are very happy that they don't have to choose. Because with having a company comes a lot of stress as well. Like, I don't know my taxes. I have an accountant and she's doing a great job, but like, it would be my fault if something will happen, right? And I'm not sure if there will be job in the next year, or maybe next month. Or will the customer that we did the job for will actually pay because maybe they will have financial issues or they will go bankrupt, which happened to me several times already. So there are stresses, but I would say that the freedom and the lifestyle that goes with having a company actually compensates for that, at least for me. And it's not all, sunshine and rainbows or anything like it, but still, I love what I do. And when you actually, do something with marketing, which I always struggle to do, and I need to really work on that, but I know people who does that and have tremendous successes. So if you're stronger in that field, and you know the technical stuff good enough to produce quality outcomes, then you're fine. Just go to this one. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.